Welcome back. Jet Legends 2025 M1 Abrams represents the latest evolution of America's most iconic and battle-proven main battle tank, built to dominate the future battlefield. This next-generation version of the Abrams combines unmatched firepower, advanced protection systems, and next-level digital connectivity. It's not just a tank, it's a moving fortress designed for the wars of tomorrow. The U.S. Army and General Dynamics have spent decades refining the Abrams platform, and the 2025 model shows how far this engineering masterpiece has come. Its new design philosophy emphasizes survivability, adaptability, and lethality. On the outside, it retains the signature Abrams silhouette, but almost every component inside has been redesigned or upgraded to meet modern warfare needs. The 2025 Abrams is lighter, faster, smarter, and deadlier than its predecessors. At the heart of this beast is an upgraded DUG 1500 gas turbine engine, capable of producing over 1,500 horsepower, giving the tank a top speed of around 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. What's truly impressive, however, is the improved fuel efficiency and reduced heat signature, making it more stealthy and sustainable during extended operations. The engine's new thermal management system also reduces infrared visibility, giving the Abrams an edge in counter-detection scenarios. Combined with improved suspension and weight reduction measures through composite materials, the 2025 model achieves superior mobility on all terrains from desert sand to muddy battlefields. Firepower remains the Abrams' greatest strength. The 2025 variant is armed with the XM256 smoothbore 120mm cannon, capable of firing the most advanced kinetic energy penetrators and multi-purpose programmable rounds. It also supports future directed energy weapon integration. With the fully digital fire control system, advanced thermal imaging, and eye-assisted target recognition, the gunner can lock onto and destroy targets faster and more accurately than ever before. Supporting armaments include a .50 caliber machine gun and dual 7.62mm coaxial guns, all stabilized for precise aiming on the move. The turret has been re-engineered to allow full 360-degree engagement without compromising protection. One of the standout features of the 2025 Abrams is its integrated active protection system, APS. Borrowing lessons from Israeli Trophy and other global systems, this APS can detect, track, and intercept incoming threats like anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, and rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, in real time. Combined with modular composite armor and explosive reactive armor, ERA, layers, the Abrams offers unmatched protection to its four-member crew. The tank's interior has been redesigned with blast-resistant seating and smart safety systems that drastically reduce crew casualties in case of impact. Digitization is the soul of the 2025 Abrams. It's a true network combat vehicle, designed to operate as part of an integrated battlefield system. Its AI-driven battle management system allows commanders to share real-time data with drones, infantry units, and other tanks. Through satellite and secure battlefield networks, the Abrams can receive live updates on enemy movement, friendly unit positions, and environmental changes. The new augmented reality (AR) command display projects tactical information directly on the crew's visors, enhancing situational awareness like never before. Inside the crew compartment, comfort meets technology. Every crew position is ergonomically designed for long missions. The gunner and commander have digital touch screens for system control, ammunition management, and targeting. The driver's station features a panoramic camera system, replacing traditional periscopes. A 360-degree situational awareness system with night vision ensures the crew can identify and engage threats in complete darkness or poor weather conditions. The inclusion of a drone integration module also allows the Abrams crew to deploy and control small reconnaissance OVs, extending their vision beyond the line of sight. Another groundbreaking improvement lies in maintenance and sustainability. The 2025 Abrams is built with modular components that can be swapped out in the field. Sensors continuously monitor the health of mechanical and electronic systems, alerting the crew and command units of potential issues before they become critical. This predictive maintenance capability not only saves time but ensures that the tank remains battle-ready in the harshest conditions. The inclusion of hybrid electric assist technology is being tested to further enhance range and reduce fuel dependency in the near future. In terms of stealth and survivability, the new Abrams integrates radar-absorbing materials and advanced thermal masking. This reduces its detectability by enemy drones and radar systems, an essential advantage in modern electronic warfare environments. The exterior design has been subtly reshaped for better radar deflection while maintaining its imposing look. The 2025 Abrams also brings innovation to teamwork. Through battlefield cloud networking, multiple Abrams tanks can share target data, synchronize maneuvers, and execute coordinated strikes. This hunter-killer capability, where the commander identifies a target and automatically cues the gunner for engagement, has been refined to lightning speed. Artificial intelligence ensures that enemy vehicles and threats are prioritized based on danger level and proximity, allowing human operators to make faster, smarter decisions under pressure. From a strategic standpoint, the Abrams 2025 ensures that the U.S. Army maintains tank superiority over any potential adversary. Competing nations like Russia and China have made advances with tanks like the T-14 Armada and Type 99A, but the Abrams continues to evolve with unmatched technological depth and battlefield experience. It's a symbol of American engineering dominance, blending brute power with advanced computing. As the world's militaries move toward autonomous and hybrid warfare, the 2025 M1 Abrams serves as a bridge between traditional armored might and future smart combat systems. With its unparalleled firepower, intelligent networking, and advanced protection, it stands as the ultimate guardian of modern ground forces. Whether facing conventional armies, urban insurgencies, or drone-assisted threats, the 2025 M1 Abrams remains the definition of battlefield dominance. It's not just a tank, it's the future of mechanized warfare, engineered to ensure that wherever it rolls, it commands respect and delivers victory.